Hi there everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video, we will talk about the benefits of eating fish. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers, and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys if you are new by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. Benefits of eating fish. Eating fish can offer a variety of health benefits due to its nutritional content. Here are some of the key advantages. Number 1, rich in omega-3 fatty acids. Fish, especially fatty fish like salmon, mackerel, and trout, are high in omega-3 fatty acids. These essential fats are crucial for brain health, reducing inflammation, and supporting heart health. Number 2, heart health. The omega-3 fatty acids found in fish can help lower blood pressure, reduce the risk of heart disease, and improve cholesterol levels. Regular consumption of fish has been associated with a lower risk of cardiovascular events. Number 3, brain function. Omega-3 fatty acids, particularly the EPA, is coursafintanic acid and DHA, decoxycyanic acid, play a vital role in cognitive function. They are important for brain development in infants and can help maintain cognitive function in adults. Number 4, rich in protein. Fish is an excellent source of high-quality protein which is essential for muscle growth and repair as well as overall body function. Number 5, vitamins and minerals. Fish is a good source of various vitamins and minerals including vitamin D, vitamin B12, iodine, and selenium. These nutrients are important for bone health, immune function, and thyroid function. Number 6, joint health. Some studies suggest that omega-3 fatty acids found in fish may help reduce symptoms of arthritis and joint pain by reducing inflammation. Number 7, weight management. Fish is a lean source of protein which can be beneficial for those looking to manage their weight. Protein-rich foods helps increase feelings of fullness and can contribute to weight loss and maintenance. Number 9, reduce risk of certain diseases. Regular consumption of fish has been associated with a lower risk of certain chronic diseases including type 2 diabetes and certain types of cancer. Number 9, eye health. Fatty fish like salmon and trout are rich in omega-3 fatty acids which may help protect eyesight and reduce the risk of age-related macular degeneration AMD. 10. Improve sleep. Some studies suggest that omega-3 fatty acids found in fish have a positive impact on sleep quality. It's important to note that method of preparation can influence the health benefits of fish. Grilling, baking, or steaming fish is generally healthier than frying. Additionally, choosing wild caught fish over farm-raised varieties can sometimes offer additional nutritional benefits. As with any dietary choice, moderation is key, and individual dietary needs may vary. Okay guys, so this is the end of my report on the benefits of eating fish. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you have learned something new in this video. Don't forget to like, share, and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.